This Saturday, we have two interesting webinars only for you. At 11 a.m., we have Kodishwari Women Only Webinar, Investment Masterclass with Kodishwari. And at 11 a.m., we also have an Corporate India What Q1 FY26 Earnings Tell Us About the Road Ahead by Mr. Sendil and Mr. Gaurav. What are you waiting for? Please register today.
Imagine this. A doctor misdiagnoses a patient and the patient ends up with extra medical expenses. An accountant makes a small calculation error that costs the client big money. A software consultant delivers a flawed system causing a severe loss of confidential data. In all these cases, the professional didn't intentionally set out to make a mistake, but one error was enough to land them in serious legal and financial trouble. That's where professional indemnity insurance comes in. Professional indemnity insurance is a type of insurance that protects professionals against claims of negligence or errors in their work. If a client takes you to court, this policy covers both the legal costs and any damages you might have to pay. Think of it like a safety net for your professional reputation, a backup plan that steps in when your client files a suit claiming that your advice or service caused them a financial loss. So, what makes this insurance so valuable? First, it takes care of your legal defense costs. Court cases can drag on for months and lawyers are expensive. This insurance ensures you don't have to burn through your savings just to defend yourself. Second, it covers compensation and settlements. Whether the court rules against you or you choose to settle privately, the policy handles the payout, not you. Third, it protects against a wide range of risks, from professional negligence to breach of confidentiality, misrepresentation, or even breach of a contract. And most importantly, it gives you peace of mind so you can focus on your work without constantly worrying about what if something goes wrong. Now, who really needs this? In India, it's not mandatory for every profession, but it's highly recommended for professions like doctors, lawyers, architects, accountants, and consultants, people who handle sensitive information and work in industries where even small mistakes can lead to big consequences. And most importantly, the cost of this protection is fairly structured. For a coverage of Rs 1 crore, the average annual premium usually falls between 10,000 and 40,000, and the exact amount depends on factors like the type of services you provide, whether medical, legal, IT, or finance, your turnover, the size of your business, your claims history, and any past illegal exposures, and of course, the coverage limit you want to choose. That's in fact a fraction of what you might end up spending if you had to defend a lawsuit by yourself. Now, let's take an example to understand it better. A management consultant was hired by a growing business to provide strategic advice on a major project. But after following the advice, the company faced huge losses and sued the consultant. The legal fees alone were like 12 lakhs and the potential settlement was another 8 lakhs. Without insurance, the consultant would have had to pay Rs 12 lakhs out of his own pocket. But thanks to professional indemnity insurance, the policy covered everything, so he didn't have to pay anything from his own pocket, saving the consultant from financial disaster. At the end of the day, mistakes happen. But one mistake shouldn't wipe out years of hard work. So if you're in a career where your advice or expertise could affect your client's money, this is one policy you simply can't afford to ignore. So if you'd like to know more about it or even buy one for yourself, reach out to us via the link in the description. We'll be happy to help.